Hello everyone, this is just a short video to document the initial results of my do-it-yourself air sled appliance mover project. I modeled the project after a commercial offering that costs $500, $600, $700, and I just wanted to see if I could build it myself a lot more inexpensively. I had an electric leaf blower. It was pretty powerful, and basically decided to see if I could use that as the lifting mechanism, like a hovercraft, to lift washers and dryers, hopefully. And I'll show you how it turned out. So I did some 3D printing of the adapters for the hose and the plumbing tee that I used that mates up with the end of the leaf blower, and also for the fittings inside that direct the air into the feet. The feet are basically made of whiteboard material. The black part that you see in the middle there is actually the back of the whiteboard, so the white part is turned down. On the very top, I've covered it with a little bit of foam rubber to protect everything. Underneath the foam rubber is a steel frame that has been riveted to the whiteboard material. You can see a little better here. It's 3/4 by, I forget the exact dimensions of the steel, but picked it up at the local hardware store. So that provides the backbone of support to allow this to actually lift things. Basically the bag of the hovercraft portion is a clear vinyl that I picked up at a fabric store. And underneath is a smaller piece of pegboard material. I glued the vinyl to the pegboard and poked out all the holes, and then wrapped the bag around the foot, and applied copious amounts of liquid nails to hold the bag onto the top of the whiteboard material, and the steel frame being riveted to that piece also contributes to holding the bag on. Made up 2 feet. Took a while, trial and error. This is the first iteration, and it works. I'm happy. I'm very happy that I was able to make the design and have it function. However, I am a little disappointed because, for example, so far I've moved my dryer around, but dryers are pretty easy and washers are much heavier. And due to its performance with the dryer, I am doubtful that I'm going to be able to move a washer. So I might have to go back to the drawing board once I figure out what the issues are and how I can improve it. Anyway, this is part 1, and I'm going to go film an actual demonstration moving my dryer. One moment, please.